The leader of the opposition in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Dr. Mukul Sangma, in a bid to bring out the irregularities in coal mining in the state, told reporters on Tuesday that he has enough proof through video clippings and photographs to prove that illegal mining activities are ongoing in the state. Sangma outrightly attacked the MDA government for not taking the matter into serious consideration. He added that this apathy and unconcerned attitude of the government has resulted in the misappropriation of public funds. Sangma also felt that he would see that things are dealt with in the right manner should the Chief Minister not find ways to stop such illegal activities within the state.
Whose job it is to protect the interests of the state. And if they are not doing what they are expected to do, what is the reason? You have the answers. So friends, I'm sorry. The way things are going, the state will be bankrupt. People will have more and more tendency to engage in all illegalities because they further get emboldened because of the stand the government has taken. The stand of the government to be deliberately on denial, constant denial mode. So you can ask the government of the day, you can ask the Chief Minister. I think there are many other stories which has come out in the recent past, in the preceding days. You can ask the CM. CM is also in charge of the Mining and Geology Department. And CM himself is also in charge of finance. CM himself is also in charge of political department. You can ask him.